So I like to show you guys how the sausage is made, more or less, but I just want to go over this. So as you can see, I got the body contours pretty close. Now there's some areas right here I'm gonna have to address. So this right here, it looks like a 5-minute fix, right? Yeah, not so much. The problem is trying to match that contour. See, because you've got like a knife edge right here, and then it gets it's gonna be a real problem to fill. It looks like it's easy, but this is like 2 hours right here of fight I'm gonna have. And then as you can see over here, see how it matches up, but then it goes underneath right here like the lip. Now I'm going to use some suede, and it'll be salt. It'll be the same as this fabric in the doors, and it should cover up a little bit of this, but I'm just having nightmares about it already, about those seams not matching up. Well, it's not a big deal, but when you build a car like this, or build a stereo like this, you tend to second guess everything. You know, is this gonna work? Did I make the right decision with the speaker? Things like that.